Hello guys, welcome to on my YouTube channel. In this channel, I will discuss ki that is matter environment for English fluent. For fluent speaking is matter grammar rules and is matter environment. How you can speak without grammar, without any environment. How you can learn English. I think don't matter is environment you have. Don't matter have you environment for English speaking. You have a partner for English speaking. There is not matter anything. If you want to learn English, so you should practice only daily, because practice is the very good opportunity to speak. For speak fluent, you have to learn word power. Word power will strong, then as well as you should practice. If you have two skills, practice and work power, definitely you can speak English. Don't matter that how many times you are learning, how long you are spending money, how long you are spending time for practice. This is the matter. Don't matter grammar rules, don't matter anything. Don't matter is you have environment. There is not any matter. Without environment you can practice. You go in the front of mirror. After going front of the mirror, you should speak fluent. As you understand, my shadow is a second person. You can do practice without any retaliate, without any wrong activities, without any doubt. You understand, you imagine in the heart that the shadow in the mirror, who will be shadow in the mirror, this is the second partner. You ask some question him and give self reply, as I imagine that this shadow giving reply, and solve the question and give him a question, difficult question, and try to solve itself, and imagine in the mind that shadow giving me reply. This is the very important path and very simple technique to learning English. I will understand that many people criticize that I have not any partner, how I can learn English. I have not any opportunity, that how can I have, there is not any institute nearby for English practice. I have not any motivational anyone for suggestion how you can speak English. There is not any partner offline and online. Anywhere there is not any partner available present for me, for support to me for practice. So I think don't matter that you have partner, you have not partner, don't matter. Only your hard work. If you want to improve English, so you should do self hard work. You cannot grow, you cannot improve English with any other person, along any other person. You want to speak English, you want to improve your communication skill, so you should have hard work capacity, that I can learn English. Same as it is, many people complain that how you can improve English, how I can improve English. Tell me some important tips. I want to tell, who will ask to you a question that how you can improve English. I only give to reply. I i used to improve word power, as well as I used to practice on a personal maximum time invest for practice, because I know don't matter ki how many vocab, how many word power you are increasing, how many you are learning grammar rules, how many times you are watching say English video, English news, there is not matter. Anyone will not give you opportunity to speak fluent. For fluency, for speak confidently, you have to speak self. When you will be speak self, you can detect, you can trace where is my lacks, where is my mistake, where I will fault, where I cannot speak, which type sentence I cannot make, which type sentence I can make. then you will realize, then you will improve your mistake, your wrong, your fault you can remove. So I think if you have any fault, so you also will remove. Anyone will not come for remove your fault, because your fault. Anyone what is matter ki that you are doing what you are doing. Anyone will not help. So I will suggest ki that if you want to speak confidently, first you make the rules and routines, such as you can say that why not make a habit ki that daily I will speak at least 20 minutes daily, any topic. First use the ChatGPT and search the ChatGPT give me a topic for English practice. ChatGPT will give you a practice topic, then you will find a practice topic, then you explain it in the English. You try to speak in English anything, whoever new word you will find. You can search on the ChatGPT what is speak in Hindi, in English, this it object it word. If you cannot speak, so you should try in the next day, but daily spend 20 minutes because you know, if you will be only one day read, one day speak, try to speak English, second day you absent, so definitely you cannot learn. Because you know, for learning, for understanding, for improve any skills, for self up skills, you have to give consistency. Consistency is the more important for new skills. Without consistency, you want to improve English, you want to that you want to that I will speak fluent, there is not possible. It is not possible. If you want to speak anything, if you want to I will learn anything new skill, so you have to pay hard work.